What's up guys, it's Louis from PRISM+. Today we're going to unbox the X340 Pro Evo, a professional gaming monitor with 165Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and an ultra-wide and ultra-curved screen that's at 34 inches with an aspect ratio of 21:9. So that's a powerful gaming machine. So let's get right to it. Yeah, we can tell that the box is really heavy. So when you're opening it, please be very careful. There is a styrofoam box inside to protect your monitor. So let's see what's in the box. It comes with an ergonomic stand. It's adjustable, very flexible. And you have the base for the stand. It's round. The base of the stand actually has a securing device here, so it's very secure. And the cool thing is that it actually comes with a wireless charging port. The wireless charging station is 15 watts, so that's more than enough to charge multiple devices. It also comes with the cable bag, and inside the cable bag you will find a DisplayPort cable, a USB cable, your power cables, and some bolts to secure your monitor. This is actually used when you are mounting it on the monitor arm. If you buy one of the monitor arms, the PRISM+X Stealth, for example, you're going to need these bolts to actually create some spacing, some buffer between the monitor and the arm. So I keep this around. It doesn't come with its own HDMI cable. That's because we always recommend you using your DisplayPort cable. But of course, if you prefer using an HDMI cable to maximize the refresh rate and latency, we advise you to get your own HDMI cable. Take this top half of the styrofoam out. The X340 Pro actually has a curvature of 1000R, and that is actually the most curved screen that you can find in the market today. It's extremely aggressive. It is supposed to be as immersive as you can get. So it's a great way for you to play first-person shooters and other kind of games that require very wide field of vision. You can see this is where all the power cables go. Nicely tucked behind here. It's very neat, very sleek. There's a beautiful blue rim here to cover the stand when you connect it here, and so it looks very seamless. Alright, so now we're going to set it up. And in the stand, you can see here there's a little cable holder so that you can have a neater setup. So this circular portion of the stand is where you place onto the back of your monitor, the circular rim. Once you line up the catch, you should hear it click beautifully. Okay, so now that we have that in, remember that you need your base. Of course, align it with the bottom of your stand, and then you should hear it click as well. The only difference is that you want to secure it with this little ring here, so just be sure to tighten that up. Okay, now once it's nice and tight, and then we're going to have it stand. Look at that, it's beautiful. Now, the amazing thing about the ergonomic stand of the X340 Pro Evo is that you can actually adjust it up and down. All you have to do is tilt it and then you can see how secure it is despite the weight of the monitor. You can move it up and down the stand as well. All you have to do is push it, just use a little bit of force. You can also pan it left and right. So very ergonomic, very flexible. Okay, so we're playing on 165Hz refresh rate. As you can see here, my field of view is so wide, it's so massive just because of the curvature of the screen. It has a wide color gamut of 120% RGB. And look at just how smooth it is with the interface. The HDR400 contrast standard really shows the clarity and the vibrancy of the content that you're watching. And just listening to the speakers, this isn't your ordinary off-the-shelf monitor speakers. These are a powerhouse speaker that sounds just like an external soundbar. Thank you Aftershock for this Ultracore open loop system gaming PC. Okay, I hope this video was informative. For those of you who have any further questions about the product, please comment below.